Let's say it's hot and sunny outside on the peninsula, and you want to have a walk anyway. Where would you go if not to the coast? Well, to me the answer is obvious. It's the Redwood forest in the Santa Cruz Mountains, and I know a place that will make your walk not just a physical exercise, but a little bit of a spiritual pilgrimage. We are going to meet, most likely, the oldest resident of the San Francisco Bay Area, a tree named Methuselah. Methuselah is the name taken from the Bible. Noah is a well-known character who loved animals, by the way. Methuselah was his granddaddy and was thought to live 969 years. Well, this tree is around 1800 years old, and it was much taller before the top part broke off in 1954. The tree is huge and covered with various lichens that give the bark the bluish and greenish hues, making it look like a fairy tale creature. This plant has such a character, so I would not be surprised that people would come to talk to it. I bet it can be as efficient as talking to a therapist, but much cheaper. The burned patches suggest that it lived through many wildfires. By the way, the bark of redwoods is kind of fireproof, and as a result, the trees are often burned from within. The base of Methuselah's trunk is wide and has lots of outgrowth. Such a wide base definitely helps keep the balance. My guess is that most of redwoods fall not due to disease, but rather being thrown on the ground by the winds. The name may be a bit confusing because there is another Methuselah tree, a 4,850-year-old bristlecone pine, which is the oldest single organism on Earth. I'm not sure if the missing H at the end of the name on the metal sign is a typo or not, because it is spelled with an H on the internet. What is clear is that, while not many people know the exact location of the oldest bristlecone pine, the famous redwood tree is quite close to Redwood City. The tree is colossal, spectacular, and well worth a short trip. You can also take a hike in a shady area. There's a bunch of trails available on this side of the road, as well as just across the Skyline Blvd, which is Highway 35, in El Corte de Madera Creek open space. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful life and do not forget to smile. Bye-bye.